Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have an OTC pair. Here, if you notice, what did you understand? Previously, we have a momentum. Just now, the market is trying to go with buyers. So, in the favor of buyers only, I am trying to go with buyers. And previously, I have observed the trend, which the market indicates for buying only. So, in this case only, I am going with buyers. And one more thing, here if you observe, the market is trying to go up and we have two kind of possibilities that we should go with buyers. Because every time if you notice, momentum, two retracements, momentum, retracement, again market is trying to continue. So easily you can expect a buying candle here. See, you can observe the whole market. See, left side you have some levels which is far, but we have to plot the levels. According to that, still the market didn't reach. So again, I will go with buyers. So easily you can go with buying candle, and the candle is not at all a weak candle. So the market is trying to move forward with only buyers. Maybe on 18th, we will update you the uptrend video. Easily you can understand the market, how the trades will be taken in the uptrend sessions, and I will show you a few examples regarding those things, and which will be uploaded in the YouTube premium content. Okay, here if you observe, what did you understand? Again, here there is nothing much to think. Left side you have a level, still there is a gap. So to that area, easily you can go with buyers, right? So we are following the buying moment. And one more thing, today I have picked the OTC pair because the market is good here. Maybe you could understand better. Sometimes you may get confusion, but in the OTC also I want to explain few points that sometimes it won't work. So let me show you how it will really works. Here I am plotting a zone which is a selling area. Previously market has been, sellers have been entered. Here I will go with buyers again. Why? Yeah, here I have a question you can ask. Already the market has been entered into a selling zone. Still, how can you go with buyers? Here, if you notice, the market has been started a momentum and the candles are, did you find any weakness? No, right? So you can't expect a reversal here. So maybe after breakout, you can expect a reversal, right? So we'll go for the selling for the next candle. We'll see what will happen. And we are in a OTC market. We'll see sometimes it will respect, sometimes it will break and continue to the next level. But in those kind of situations, you should wait. So up to now, I have taken 3 trades only for buying only because the market is in a momentum. So try to follow the rules. Okay, I will do one thing here. I will try to go with sellers. Here I should mention this point, 50-50 chances. How can you say? Sometimes in the OTC, even it is a strong candle also, it will reverse because left side we have a strong level. Even the zone has been not respected. So that's the reason only I'm going with buyers. And here we have one more situation in the OTC only. I'm saying this candle could get a weak sign. Maybe next candle will reverse. And there is one more sign here. I should mention you 3 points mainly. First, we are in a momentum. It can break and it will continue to the next level easily. Second thing, it doesn't have a weakness, so it could make one weakness and again it will reverse. Third thing, it won't respect, it will continue directly. Even it shows weakness also. See, I'm showing these 3 points before because these 3 scenarios only most of the time in the OTC some kind of disturbance. So that's why. See, at last it made a weak candle. So we'll go for the second rule. I will go with sellers. Maybe market has been showed a weakness. Left side, it is a strong area. So we have to check if this is a buying candle. Yeah, we can go with buyers only. In these kind of scenarios only, you will get losses. So in these kind of areas, try to wait or try to avoid or try to observe, because I want to show you these kind of situations only. Because these kind of 3 scenarios I have seen so many times. That's why I have mentioned before itself. Most of the time, these kind of scenes only will happen. Maybe in the real market, the market will reverse definitely. Maybe in the OTC, it won't work. But in the real market, it will definitely work because there are more buyers and sellers, right? So easily in that situations, it will work. I think this also lost because the sellers are not at all interested. Maybe our third rule is correct now. Yeah, easily we can go with buyers continuously up to a red candle. Okay, anyways, I will try to go with buyers. 2 losses. It's okay. In the OTC market, these kind of scenarios will be happened. It's okay. Now easily you can go with buyers and you can follow the momentum. Yeah, you can continue the momentum easily too. I thought that was a strong level, but market has no sellers over there. Anyways, it's okay. It will happen sometimes. Okay, we will continue with the buyers only. Because these kind of situations, sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't work, but you have to get a clarity. So that's why only I have mentioned the point before itself, because I have seen so many scenarios like this. Yeah, sometimes it will work, it is good because it is working, sometimes it is not. So that's on that time I have noted a points regarding these things. That's why even if you maintain a notes to note this kind of points, easily you can filter the areas how where you should react. If it is loss, yeah, you can maintain a confidence that yeah, next trade you can easily go win up like this. So easily you can get rid of it. Okay, what is the next candle? Don't think any much, just follow the momentum, because we are in a momentum which is a strong. Previously we have got an idea. So as of now I don't have any levels in the left side, so I will try to follow the momentum only. Okay, I will take one more margin of safety, because maybe if you have weak candles, what we can do. So that's why with margin of safety only I have continued the trade. So if you have any doubts, you can message me in Telegram, and if you are really interested to join our premium course, yes, it is available in the YouTube. Easily you can enroll and watch it and understand the market. Okay, because most of the people have more knowledge but they can't survive. Maybe those kind of courses will help them how to guide the areas of the market. So coming to the topic here, finally we got buyers. It's okay. Maybe the candle comparing to the previous, it is getting a weak. Let me check whether I have any level or not. Without level, market won't reverse. Okay, I will plot the zone. Let me adjust. Okay, one, and here I have one more area. So this area is a selling area. Finally the market has been entered, so I will try to go with sellers here. Okay, why? Because it's a selling zone. Already the market has been entered previous line. Still you got one more candle, which is weakness. This is the point previously I have mentioned you. Weakness. Previously it didn't get respect. Now it will respect. Check this thing. Okay. Because in the OTC market and sometimes in the real market, these kind of situations will come. Maybe you all know momentum will go, you may get one or two retracements, you all know that. But how to react? What is the signs that the market will show before it's make a change? So easily you should understand. Here I have a doubt, but with the margin of safety I should go with buyers. Okay, no margin. Okay, I will try it. I will take one more trade because I didn't get a nice entry point. Because I have a doubt here, both have equal power. Okay, let me take one more trade. 1 second, let it come. Okay, 1 second. Yes, I am taking buyers. Why I have doubt means here we are in a momentum. You all know that overall trend is trying to go with uptrend. Okay, 2 points for buyers. Second thing, the selling candle is too strong and the seller's area is also good. So it could make one more retracement sometimes. So that's why only retracements, which means a weak candle. You all know that. So that's why I have mentioned margin of safety. Maybe we can win easily by this. After this, we can easily go with buyers. It's not a big deal because we used to go every time. So that's why. Okay. Okay. Here finally selling candle, but our entry point saved us. It's good. Okay. I will go with buyers now. Okay. We'll see what will happen. In the OTC market, most of the times you should follow the momentum only, because previously I have followed the momentum. That's why if you check from the downside, if you have only taking buying trades, means see how many wins you have. Continuously wins. So these kind of things you should understand in the market. And one more thing, whenever you are trading in the OTC market, target that particular area when the market is trendy. If you find those kind of areas, don't leave. Just go with the flow in the buyers or sellers momentum, because most of the time it will help you a lot. So that's why I mentioned every time, try to follow the momentum, because these kind of things will happen. Easily you can win with the favor of momentum. See, at last, I think sellers have won it. Okay, it is loss. Okay, welcome to OTC. Now I can go with buyers easily. Sometimes these kind of things will happen in the OTC. See, you can expect a buying candle. Already it is a week. Easily you can go. But it made one more retracement. See how it is. This time with clarity only I have taken trade for the buyers. This time I have a level 2 even. Let me change the point. 1 second. Here. Let me adjust these two. See, I have a level this time. So no worries. It will be buyers only. See, these kind of things will be happening in the OTC. You may think it is a wrong, you may think it is a weak, but here if you observe one thing, first red candle is okay, second one is our retracement. Third one, if you notice, it didn't made no new low, no new high. It just opened in the middle. See, clearly understand. It didn't show any kind of strength. Just it is in the candle of the previous weakness only. So that's why you should not think there is a seller's entry. Yeah, you can go with sellers. No, you should not think it's a wrong thing. You should wait for buyers only, because you are in a momentum, you are in an uptrend. So don't go these kind of loops. Don't fall for it. Sometimes these kind of scenarios, maybe it is a good that you got an opportunity. I can show you the candle which was made in the red. Sometimes these things also happen. You could understand better. See, the candle didn't made any new low and new high. So that's why easily we can again go with buyers. And here why I have gone with buyers means already the sellers are getting weak. Maybe the market will reach to the next level which I have been plotted. After that the market could make an down, or it could break and it will go up. These kind of two situations only as of now we have in the mind. Okay, so try to understand these points. I think the market has been reached the level. Can I expect a weakness reversal? Okay, we'll see. Okay, it has been reached to the selling area but gap down. Okay, anyways, I'm going with sellers. We'll see what will happen. In the OTC, sometimes gap down means it will fulfill the gap and again it will reverse. But anyways, the market has been closed exactly at the area. So anyways, I will wait. But I have gone with only single trade because I have a doubt. So we should continue the trade. Okay, anyways, it's okay. I think you have understand the points in the OTC market, how the scenarios will be. Previously, we have a level that market didn't respect, first thing, but it showed weakness. Momentum has been get weak, but you can't expect a reversal. See how the difference is. Second thing, we got two retracements, but the sellers have weakness. Still we got loss. Third one, market made one more extra candle. Maybe that candle should be buyers, but here we didn't get. Anyways, these kind of things you can understand better. Here the market has fulfilled the gap. Same scenario like previous. Now I will go with sellers only. This is my perfect candle. Why? You all know that previously the market has been opened gap down. Anyways, it's okay. Maybe we have taken 13 trades, I think so. In that 1, 2, 3, 4 loss. Okay, anyways, it's okay. But there is differences, so that's why you should understand and practice. It makes you more perfect regarding these kind of areas. Try to write the points in a book, maintain a book, which will helps you to recover your losses easily, because it won't repeat again, right? So that's why. So this is my last trade. Let's see what will happen. Here the selling area has been started and the buyers are getting weak because there is weakness in the buyers. Easily you can understand by seeing it. Okay, see, finally the sellers have been entered. Okay guys, finally we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.